Thank you for your interest in the Chapel Hill Public Library. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at the different ways the catalog can help you find new titles to read based on your existing reading preferences. Before you can search, however, you'll need to log into the system. For more information on the logging in process, please watch the tutorial, Logging On and Tapping In. Once you're logged into the system, you'll be taken to the My CHPL screen. From here, you'll be able to see recently shared items of users that you're following, as well as items you have placed on your For Later shelf. For more information on following users and adding titles to your shelves, please watch the tutorial, Getting Social. Now, if you put a title on your For Later shelf, but you find that all copies are in use, what you can do is click on the name of the title, which will take you to the title page. From here, you can search all different kinds of ways to find different titles that are like the title you're looking for. Now, if this title is part of a series, below the title information, you'll see series that include this title. By clicking on this, you'll be able to see all the different titles that are part of this series. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll find more ways to find what you're looking for under Explore Further. To start, you can find other titles by clicking on Get Novelist Reading Recommendations. This will show you titles connected to the title you've chosen, as well as other titles that are like it. Below Get Novelist Reading Recommendations, you can also explore different titles based on subject headings. In this case, we'll click on Suspense Fiction, which will pull up different titles based on the same subject headings. There are additional recommendations listed below. If you find a title you like, simply click on that title, and you'll be taken to that title screen. Now, if you wish to come back to this title later, you can mark this title for later. Simply do this by clicking Add to My Shelves, and clicking For Later. The title will then be added to your For Later shelf. Now, going back to your My CHPL screen, you can see a list of your For Later titles. If the title isn't available now, all you need to do is simply click on View My For Later shelf. Then, by clicking on View Details, you can see when the title is set to be returned. If there are multiple holds on a title, you can see that as well. Whether you're looking for a specific title or just need a little help choosing one, the CHPL catalog can assist you along the way. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Please watch the other library tutorials in order to help you fully utilize what the Chapel Hill Public Library catalog has to offer. Thank you so much for your interest in the Chapel Hill Public Library.